Hi guys, good morning to you for this Tuesday. So just a little reminder, if you are working on something, just be patient and always motivate yourself, inspire yourself, dahil ikaw lamang talaga yung makakapag-motivate ng iyong sarili. So don't expect that other people will recognize you, will appreciate you, because that's the reality. Magkakaroon lang ng recognition and appreciation ng iyong trabaho kapag andun ka na sa taas. Pero during your process, wala sa'yo makaka-appreciate. Karamihan pa nga dyan ang ating mga kamag-anak, diba? Ang ating mga malalapit na kaibigan. Pero that's the reality. So, but huwag ka masyadong malungkot. Huwag ka masyadong mainis sa kanila because I think because that is the way of the process that our family, our closest friend, they are not really supportive pagdating sa ating mga pangarap. It is because maybe they are the one who's ang tawag ba doon, yung parang paraan, it's a way para mas lalo ka magpursige. Kung gagawin mo man yun, gawin mo para sa sarili mo. Muna. Huwag mo munang gawin para sa pamilya mo or para sa kaibigan mo. Kasi most of the time, I heard na I'm doing this because of my family, for my family. Yeah, it's good in a way. But sometimes when you hit the rock bottom, nakakawalang gana. Kasi nga, hingi ka ng suporta sa pamilya mo, sa closest friend mo, tapos wala kang matatanggap. Because in your mindset, you're doing this for them, di ba? Pero dahil wala kang makitang suporta mula sa kanila, so parang manghihina ka. But I think, if you do it for yourself, so no matter what happened during your process, it will always come back to you. So ibig sabihin, kung ano yung naging mali, kung ano yung naging pagkukulang, or kung magtagumpay ka man sa prosesong yan, it is because of yourself. So always depend on yourself. But syempre, para mangyari yon, kinakailangan mong i-develop ang iyong sarili. Not only in terms of the mindset, in terms of the attitude, but most especially in terms of your action. So, ayun, galaw-galaw na. May pangarap, gawin na. Okay? Bye-bye!